Always you trapped in some things, and always delay in some professional works, and always wanna change himself at night. But nothing happens in a day, some problem happens every day. It doesn't work on you, it doesn't bring the certified change in you. You need certified change right now. All the adversity, all your troubles and obstacles will make you strengthen. You may not realize it. All the adversity, all your troubles and obstacle will make you strengthen. You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you. It is the correct reality. Whenever you get some bad obstacle in life, if you want or not, they must change you. The world always meets you with bad in good way and teaches you for strengthen. The nature make you able to fail in some related things to be patient in the rest of life. Without hard work, a thing which you selected for yourself from the core of the heart, that will not come into your life. This is the rules of the world. For that thing needs certified change. Thinking about something is quite easy. Getting a thing and bring into the life is quite difficult. Stay connected with a thing will be performed for a long time and at the end get through. This is the work of legend. You never ever compete for life for change. There are many reasons to live the life, to live for others. This world always teaches you good and bad. Good does not mean it is good for all. Bad does not mean it is bad for all. And for changing and for learning, you have to do everything. In learning, doing mistake means you are learning properly. Accident increase the level. Accident participate us the best way, not kill us, make us stronger. But certain accident change to stop everything. But in reality, never ever stop your favorite. Just leave for some days, for better, for improvement. Just relax for some days. Start again and prove to those who never believe in you, who really you are. But you need certified change. For certified change, you can ask a question. Why you need certified change? Did you find the answer? Find the answer. Why need certified change? Because this will never ever recognize you with your name, with your color, with your age, and so on. This will recognize you, what you did. For that you need certified change. Every age of life wants you a different one. Whatever your age is, be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. Just stay with true forever how the situation is. Sometimes people ask you those questions which you know the answer, but they will not be accepted, which you know. Just stay cool and manage the people. The time will come to show the confidence. Confidence never take care of right and wrong. Confidence never beg, never cry, never collapse you. This is called certified change. When everyone against you, but your confidence never let you to knock the door. Your confidence and your certified change help you and increase your stimulation.